So today we're checking out a very unusual video. It's kind of like a restoration video where a Persian rug that hasn't been washed for more than a century gets cleaned. Isn't that unusual? I thought it would be interesting to check out though. I enjoy these restoration videos. So let's dive right into it and see how it looks like. Just turn this down a little bit here. Okay. Look at that dirt. The sheer amount of dirt on this rug.
Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy it.
It's pretty dirty. I don't know how that's going to ever get cleaned. Look, the dirt doesn't even come off when they wet it. So how are they going to clean it? That's the question. Okay, soaking it really good. Probably with some soap. It looks like, is that a pressure washer? It's not hardly even doing anything to the rug. Well, it's doing a little bit. It's like they're getting some dirt off. Gosh. That's crazy. Whoa! It seems like they're getting more dirt. Getting rid of the dirty water. Very good. Yeah, because you don't want that coming back onto the rug, that's for sure. Continual more dirt. And how is this rug lasting so long? Like a century-old rug? And it can put up with this kind of punishment in washing? It seems like it would fall apart, wouldn't it? I mean, a century old is a long time for most things to last, I would assume. Okay, now he's putting something on it. It's a chemical or soap or something. I wonder what that is. Ooh, a scrub thingy. I don't know actually what this is called. Oh my gosh. It's actually getting a ton of dirt off. Ooh, gross. Look, you can actually see the rug underneath a little bit. I bet it's gonna look so much better after this scrubbing. Whoa. That's nasty. Look at that muck. That's a lot of muck. Ooh. Is that a rubber, like squeegee tool? Oh my gosh. You can see the rug now. Unbelievable. Where was this rug, I wonder, that it got such horrible abuse? And no one bothered to clean it all this time. Oh my gosh. Now, oh, that's so nasty. I wonder, are they gonna do the bottom half now of the rug and then maybe more cleaning? My gosh. Yeah, that's good. They're cleaning the bottom. Very necessary. Got to get rid of all that dirt or it won't come clean. All right. Oh, and the other side is still nasty too, but I guess, you know, you got to do what you can do. Wow. It's like a pressure washer on there. Wonder what kind of soap they used. Oh, a garden can. Must be a special soap. Oh, goody. Here comes this thing again. Look at how well it just gets the dirt out. I'm amazed by whatever this is. I have to find out. I think my hubby knows. This this scrub tool. It works really well. Yeah, obviously that garden can thing put some heavy duty soap on there. Ah, that is so nice to see it look cleaner. Look, it looks like milk coming off, but it's soap. It looks so much better. Look at that rug. Looks, you can actually see the coloring and the patterns now. Oh my gosh, the back again. Other side, I mean. Definitely needs work. Who would have thought to make a video about this? And that people would watch it like me. It's amazing. Really is amazing. Okay. Are they going to use the big scrub? The big scrubber again? Probably. That's my guess. After the garden hose. Yeah, the garden hose. I mean, not hose. Can. And watering can. And now they're going to soap it up real good. Use the big scrubber, probably. Oh, not the big scrubber. Different thing. Scrub brush. Huh. I wonder how they decide what tool to use on it next. Maybe because they already scrubbed this side with the big scrubber, and now they're using a different scrubber. Oh, wow. So it turns itself into a squeegee. That's interesting. Ah, here's the big scrubber. Still my favorite device so far on this video. Look at how much cleaner it looks after it even does one pass over the rug. Wow, it looks like chocolate milk. It's so nasty. Ew. Ew. It's so nasty. It's very satisfying to see them squeegee the rug, though, I have to say. Definitely very satisfying. Oh, what's this? This is a new thing. Some kind of soap. More squeegeeing. Maybe that was a rinsing step. Wow, the rug looks so much richer now. It's a beautiful rug. Such a shame that it was so dirty. I wonder what happened to it. Oh, wow, look, it's less dirt than it was before. Definitely less. It's gotten better. It's still dirty, but it's like reasonable dirt now. So I guess the pressure washer can do more to it. Let's see. How close are we? 2/3. Okay. Yeah, we saw the worst of it for sure. And now it's like the perfecting of the rug. How does it get actually clean? Wow, look at that squeegee. Wow. Okay, so now more soap or something, whatever that is that they're putting on there. Oh, more of the special scrubber. Wow, I love this thing. Look at how clean it gets it. And look, it's much less dirty now. You can tell. It's like less brown. The water is less brown. This is so satisfying. All right, that looks really nice. Now what are they gonna do? Much better. Getting rid of all the dirty water. Very good. Very nice. Oh, some more of the green watering can. And they're gonna have to flip the rug in just a minute too and do that side again, because they haven't flipped it in a while. Oh, they used it all. Okay. Oh, the scrubber again. Going for another pass. Yeah, it's much better now. They can scrub without so much filth. Just looks like cream now instead of chocolate cream. Well, a little bit of chocolate cream in the bottom there. Yeah, this looks way cleaner than it used to. It's kind of an understatement. I bet you videos like this gets this company more business, because people are like, wow, they really cleaned that horrifically dirty rug. They could probably clean my rug. Okay, now what are they gonna do? Yeah, getting rid of the dirty water. Okay, good. Rinsing it out. Gotta get the soap out. Still, look at that dirty brown stuff coming off of it. It continues to shed dirt. Unbelievable. Oh, look! It looks truly much better now with this next pass of the scrubber. It looks definitely more like milk instead of chocolate milk. Nice. And they scrub so quickly too. That's kind of amazing. Yeah, look, hardly any dirt. Unbelievable. Considering where this rug has come from, it's incredible. I wonder if they're gonna do the the other side. Or maybe this looks like it's coming to the end. So maybe this is the rinsing step now. Beautiful. The question is, what does it look like when it's all dry and everything? Yeah, there's hardly any more dirt. Ooh. Clean rug. Wow. Look at that transformation. That was amazing. They got a freakishly dirty rug clean. Somehow that's very satisfying. I like seeing things, dirty things come clean. It's cool. It's just, I don't know, something about it. But thank you guys for hanging out with me and checking out this very interesting video that you wouldn't maybe expect from YouTube, I guess. I don't know. I credit my hubby Zyrath for showing me this video because not this one in particular, but this like topic. He showed me like rugs coming clean on YouTube, and I thought, I should react to one. I'll see you guys in the next reaction. Bye.